Hey everybody and welcome back to our channel. In this video, we are going to learn how to remove the Messenger account from your another phone. So you can just go over and remove a Messenger account from another phone by using the where you are logged in feature in Facebook. So let's get started with the process. So what we can do is we can open up the Facebook app on your particular device for that, and once you open it up, you can look out for the option of settings and privacy. So go to the settings and privacy option and tap on settings. So for that, go to the menu at the top. And once you go to the menu, you can look out for those settings and privacy. And from there, just go over and select the option of settings and go ahead and access your Facebook settings from here. Now, what you may do from here is select the account center at the top of the screen. So find it up and tap on it. And that should give you access to the Meta Account Center. Now, what you need to do is basically go to the option called Password and Security in Account Center. So go ahead and find that option and tap on it. And once you tap on Password and Security, this page right here opens up. Now, under Security Checks, what you need to do is go ahead and find the option for where you are logged in. So find the option of where you are logged in and tap on it, and that will give you access. So select up your account here, tap on Facebook. Since we are removing the Facebook account connected to your Messenger, and here it will show you all of the devices it is currently logged into. So what you need to do is from this active sessions, including Messenger sessions on your other phones, you need to select the devices to log out. So if you want to select it, you can just go ahead and tap on the device that you would like to log out from, or you can directly find this option called select devices to log out. So tap on it. Once you do so, you can select the option of your device and just go ahead and tap on the option of logout. You can select from the bunch of options given and confirm it by tapping on logout. And that is how you basically go ahead and remove your Messenger account from another phone. If you need to quickly force a logout of all devices, you can try changing your Facebook password automatically, and it will end every active sessions everywhere. So that is it, everybody. If you want to remove your Messenger account from your another phone, this is the method you can follow up. So do not forget to give this video a like and also subscribe for more tips and tutorials.